My name is Diana. Come check out my garage. I got these double doors here because, of course, the car and the pickup, and you can either leave them both shut like I do right now because of the weather, or you can open one up or both, and you got the breeze coming through because of the windows on the side. I absolutely love this feature. I mean, you could have done it with one, but the two looks really good. Of course, if I had the big doors down, I wanted something easy to get into because, you know, if you want to get in here and just grab like the ladder, or maybe just you forgot something in your car, it's perfect in and out. I love it. Okay, I purchased 3 windows, of course, this one and then one on lateral sides for a lot of different reasons. The light, the air. The airflow that goes through when you have all the windows open is perfect. It's not stale and stuffy in there. And you get the light from all sides too. It is wonderful. I could not have chosen a better deal. As you can see, this is a 24 by 35. The reason I chose this length is it gives you enough space to do what you need to do if you need to just putter around and do nothing, or get both vehicles in out of the weather, or, you know, take vehicles out and have a party in here. I don't know, but it is exactly what I've dreamed of. Well, thank you so very much for visiting my garage and listening to my excitement over how well it all came together. Once again, thank you, Allen's Factory.